JetBrains AI Assistant versus Junie AI, which is also JetBrains AI. Let's get started. So first, we have is JetBrains. It is the official tool integrated into the IDE like the IntelliJ, PyCharm, WebCharm, and CLion. It offers inline code completion, AI chat, doc lookup, refactoring help, and many more. It's powered by multiple large language models, including OpenAI, Amazon, and StarCoder. Now, Junie AI, on the other hand, is an independent AI code assistant focused on the open source large language models. It also has a customizable workflows and data privacy. It runs locally or with your choice of API and can plug into IDEs like the VS Code or run as a standalone terminal tool. Now let's talk about their pros. So for JetBrains AI Assistant, it offers deeply integration into the IDE. It also has the AI chat, the smart code suggestions, and the commit messages generation. It supports natural language refactors and test generations. And it's great for Java, Kotlin, Python, and many more. Now for Junie, Junie offers an open source and privacy-focused modal support. It also runs in any IDE, including JetBrains itself. It lets you choose the LLM like the ChatGPT, Cloud, Mistral, Llama, and many more. And it's also fully customizable with the prompts and has a memory, and it's great for devs who want full control. So choose JetBrains if you want Assistant, which is fully integrated with the coding, and choose Junie AI if you want privacy conscious developer.